Pick up your markers, let's start the fun. Crafty Kids Chronicles has just begun. Cut, glue, and craft with flair. Join us today, we'll take you there. So come along, it's time to create. With Crafty Kids, it's going to be great. Hey guys, today we're making some pumpkin stamps. They're totally customizable and really fun to paint with, so stick around to find out how we did this. Your first step is to use a pumpkin of any size. This is what you're going to use for your stencils. I had pre-cut stencils already that I was going to trace, so that's what I ended up using, but you can always free draw on your pumpkin as well. I made sure to leave a space in between each stencil. That way it made it easier for me to cut out each individual stencil from the pumpkin. This is what my pumpkin looked like before cutting out the stencils. I also removed the seeds from the pumpkin, but that was for another project. Here's how my stencils turned out. I used a fork on a couple of the stencils to add texture. I wanted to see what it would look like to paint with each individual stamp. Next step is to get your paint ready. Once my paint was ready, I grabbed a piece of paper, and my first project was a fall-inspired tree. I thought it would look cool to use my leaf stamp and some fall colors to make a tree. I ended up blending the paint at some point to make a gradient within the leaves, and I think it turned out really cool. My next project was more outdoor scenery. I decided to go with flowers this time. I really liked my flowers, but I thought I could add a bit more, so here I go in with my oval and triangle stamp and made a sun. You can use these projects as inspiration or create your own beautiful artwork. I hope you have fun if you try this out.